Okay, we're solving for x in these. So the first one, A, it's a right angle, so it's 90 degrees. So 6x plus 4x plus 10 has to equal 90, right? So 10x plus 10 equals 90. Subtract 10 from both sides. 10x equals 80. Divide by 10, x equals 8 for A. I'll do C next, right? I'll kind of go out of order because it fits easier. So the sum of all these angles is 180, right? So it's 3x plus 5 plus 2x plus 18 plus 2x plus 17 has to equal 180 because the sum of the measures in a triangle, of the angles in a triangle, is 180. So now we have like terms, right? 3, 2, and 2, that's 7x. And then we have 5, 18, and 17, that's 40, plus 40, equals 180. We subtract 40, and we get 7x equals 140. We divide by 7, and we get x equals 20 for C. Okay, so there's A and C. Now I'm going to erase that so I can do B, right? Okay, B and D. So for B, let me see if it'll let me move this over. Yes, it will. Okay, so for B and D. For B, the sum of those two angles is 180, right? So because a straight line is 180, right? Or a straight angle, to be precise, is 180. So if we add those two, it has to equal 180 degrees. So like terms again, 5x and 3x is 8x. 13 and 7 is 20, equals 180. Subtract 20 from both sides, and I get 8x equals 160. And divide by 8, and I get x equals 20 for B. Again, knowing that a straight angle is 180 degrees. And the last one is the sum of the angle measures, right? Instead of telling us this one, they're saying it's 90 degrees by calling it right. So 90 plus 30 plus x has to equal 180, right? So 120 plus x equals 180. So subtract 120 from both sides, so x equals 60 because of the sum of the angles in a triangle being 180 degrees.